Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Space Universe Information, and in today's video we will learn about Mars. Hey, but you may feel that I have skipped the third planet, that is our Earth. But of course not, as the information about Earth is descriptive. So we will learn about Earth elaborately in separate parts. So now get back to the video and let's get started. Mars is very similar to the Earth. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and the Mars is second smallest planet in the solar system. The Mars named after the Roman god of war. Mars is also called as the red planet. But why Mars called as red planet? Answer: the soil of Mars consists too much iron, and hence the soil of Mars is reddish, and only soil is there on full Mars is the Mars rock red. Statistics: the mass of Mars is about 6.41 quadrillion, and the equatorial diameter of Mars is 6,805 km. The equatorial circumference of Mars is about 21,297 km. Moons: Mars has two moons, that are Phobos and Deimos, and we will learn about Phobos and Deimos in future. Orbit period: the orbit period of Mars is about 686.98 Earth days, means around 1.88 Earth years. Surface temperature: the surface temperature of Mars is about -87 to -5 degrees Celsius. It's not too much cold for some people. Physical characteristics: Mars has approximately half the diameter of Earth. Its surface area is only slightly less than Earth's dry land. Even though Mars is larger than has more mass than Mercury. Mercury has a higher density. This evens them out and makes the two planets have an almost similar gravitational pull at the surface. Internal structure: a silicate mantle that formed many tectonic and volcanic features on the planet surrounds the core, but it now appears to be dormant. Besides silicon and oxygen, the abundant elements in the Martian crust are iron, magnesium, aluminium, calcium, and potassium. The average thickness of the planet's crust is about 50 km, with maximum thickness of 125 km as compared to the 40 km crust of Earth. Location and movement: the Mars orbits the Sun in 687 Earth days and travels 9.55 AU. In doing so, making the average orbital speed 24 km per second. As Earth completes its 24-hour per day spin, it results in Coriolis force. Earth is 40,000 km around at its widest part, the equator, because it spins on the axis once in 24 hours. A point on its equator is moving about 1700 km per hour in relation to its axis. Surface geology: Mars is the last inner planet of our solar system. The Mars consists of silicon, oxygen, metals, and other elements. The surface of the Mars is primarily composed of basalt. Soil on Mars: the soil on Mars contains magnesium, sodium, potassium, chlorine, and also alkaline. In fact, these are important for the growth of plant. The atmospheric pressure of the Mars is too low than the Earth, that is about 100 times thinner than Earth, and therefore the water in liquid form cannot exist on Mars. But the polar ice caps on Mars appears to be formed from the water. Fun fact: the ice cap on the South Polar is so high in quantity that if melted, it would cover the entire surface up to the depth of 11 meters. Geology and atmosphere: